There's a reason why this etude is marked lento. It should be pretty slow, so which is good news when you're trying to learn it. Remember, precision of the left hand fingers, and of course the right arm, is the name of the game here in this etude. You always have to be a few steps ahead of yourself to understand what's coming and prepare for it accordingly. So just learn the text as best as you can, and remember the fingers, placement of the fingers is critical, and of course right arm too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.